Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Moringa versus sea buckthorn. These two incredible plants are often hailed as superfoods, each offering a unique array of health benefits. We will explore their distinct nutritional profiles and discuss their various applications. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which plant might best suit your individual wellness journey and why. When we look at their nutritional content, Moringa truly shines with its impressive array. Its leaves are packed with protein, 27 vitamins, and 46 antioxidants. You'll find ample vitamin A, B, and C, along with essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Sea buckthorn, on the other hand, is celebrated for its rare omega-7 fatty acid, alongside omegas 3, 6, and 9. It also delivers a powerful punch of vitamin C, A, and E. Both plants offer remarkable health advantages. Moringa is known for bolstering immunity, reducing inflammation, and potentially helping to regulate blood sugar levels. It's also valued for promoting healthy skin, protecting the liver, and supporting cardiovascular health. Sea buckthorn is widely recognized for its benefits to skin, aiding in wound healing and enhancing heart function. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds also contribute to a stronger immune system and liver protection. So which one is better? The answer truly depends on your individual needs. If you're seeking broad nutritional support, increased energy, and help with blood sugar management, Moringa might be your ideal choice. However, if your focus is on exceptional skin health, wound healing, or the unique benefits of omega-7 fatty acids, sea buckthorn could be more suitable. Both are powerful superfoods, offering incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties for overall wellness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.